there viewers, welcome to 60 Degrees. I'm Matt Fountain. I'm here at Team Moto Yamaha checking out the MT09 and we have the full Akrapovic exhaust system. Let's have a listen. That was pretty good. That sounds awesome without the baffle. Hear that backfire? Bang! Ooh. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one, folks. That was the MT09 with the full Akrapovic exhaust system without the baffle. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification button. We've got plenty more videos for you guys to check out. We've got heaps of reviews, some other exhaust sounds from other MT models. Also, make sure to head over to our social media pages. That's at Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. 60 Degrees. And also, if you would like to support our channel, head over to www.60degrees.com.au. Check out all of our latest apparel. Every purchase helps build our channel.